Okay, it's 6 o'clock. I've been going for about a half an hour, and this is what you get to see. Absolutely nothing. So what do you concentrate on? These little footsteps right here. I ran into a sign where one set of footsteps went off one way and the other one went off the other, and yeah, so I had to check the sign out. Dear God, it was all covered in snow, so I had to brush that off first, of course. Yeah, but I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful day. I should hit Klingman's Dome sometime today. I'm shooting for 13. That's why I'm up at 6 a.m. or walking at 6 a.m. I should say. I got up at 5:05. And we got a long way to go up. Yep. Woo, baby. I come up on top of this hill. This is what I see. There's just mountains for days. You can see them way off in the distance, maybe. It's a winter wonderland. Yep. But I'm here. Yeah, it's gorgeous out here. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Anyway, pretty and cold. Pretty cold, pretty and cold. Okay, on the way to Klingman's Dome. I still say okay. And I've been going uphill for a while. And all of a sudden, I'm in this forest of evergreens. And they're huge. And it's beautiful. You look way out there, you can see mountains off in the distance. And I'm headed to the highest point on the AT right now. So it's, like I said, it's surreal almost. Yeah, no, it's surreal. Yeah, just gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that. Check it out. Okay, here I am. There's it's like a driveway coming up here, but you can't drive up here. And there it is. Highest part on the AT right there. I gotta walk all the way up that thing now. Yep. There's another sign down there. Don't know what that is. I know that if I go back, I can hit the trail. So we'll find out. We'll find out. Anyway, check it out. It's gonna be awesome. How cool is this? Like, you couldn't get past these trees if you tried. There's no running through this stuff, right? It's all dark in here. Yeah, what an awesome, awesome transition into something different. Huh? You gotta love it. Woo! How cool is this? Like, you couldn't get past these trees if you tried. There's no running through this stuff, right? It's all dark in here. Yeah, what an awesome, awesome transition into something different. Huh? You gotta love it. Woo!